So what you can also do is you can export path from GIMP and save it as a separate file so that you can import it later in GIMP itself or in other editing applications. So in order to export a path, first I need a path. So I'm just going to go around over here and create a path right here. So I'm just going to go around and create a path just like this. Let me just hold Control and then close this out, and you can see that I have a path right here. So I'm going to go around and make this visible right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to export out this particular path. So in that case, you can right click over here and you can see that export path is an option. You can also click on this little button right over here. And then what you can do is you can go to path menu and you can see that export path is an option right here. So once I go around over here on my desktop, I can go around and name the path as I like. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say for example, exported path right here. So let's just go around and save this out over here just like this, and then click on save right here. So I'm just going to go around and save it out. So over here on my desktop, you can see that exported path is here right here just like this. So this is an SVG file format that got exported, and then you can import it out in other applications as well. You can also go around, make another path and export it in similar way. And that is how you can export out path inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.